Hello, and welcome back to another installment of Bad Drivers of Austin. I'm going to start this episode out today talking about a little thing called entitlement, and how so many people in this city have it, at least behind the wheel, and I can't wrap my head around it. I was coming out of the bank the other day, and this little beetle here was coming out of the gas station, and I don't know. I don't know what crushed his day, but for one, he had plenty of time to come out before I rolled up, and for two, we're stopped at a stoplight. What's your hurry, man? And for three, I gave him the smallest, meagerest, tiniest little toot, just to say, hey dude, I'm here, did you see me? And he gives me the finger. He just flicks me the old bird, and I don't understand it. I don't get it. How can you be so miserable that you have to be cruel to people that you don't even know? People that haven't wronged you in the slightest. I mean, come on.
A message is being broadcast across the nation that migrants should be seeking asylum through official channels.
Bridge and ask for asylum. What's liable to happen to them?
Well, there's a couple of things that happen under the new Trump administration policies. First, the government may not even...
And here we have another genius that can't read signs. Specifically the sign that says, left turn must yield on green. Furthermore, this idiot is already in the center turn lane. I realize he's a bus, he needs space, okay? But he's already in that center lane and decides he's just gonna continue on into the right lane. Where I am, where he knows I am. Fuck this guy. I've already since reported him. Whether or not it's gonna do anything is up for debate. Let it be known that there was no previous interaction with this driver. I have no idea what crawled up his butt on this Saturday morning of mornings, and I think he was just trying to show off to his friend or something, but I'm going 43 or so in this 35 zone, so I'm already speeding, and I'm aiming to pass this truck in the right lane and then move over anyway. And this guy takes it upon himself to nearly cause a collision. I have to brake significantly to let him through, so he doesn't hit the truck or me in the process of cutting me off.
Good job! You win!
The best part about it, though, is that he's visibly irritated that he has to stop at this stoplight, and flashes me a thumbs up back when I give him one. Sucker.
That was a left. Red. Jeez.
NPR's Scott Horsley was there.
Whoa. Oh, okay.
Wow.
Idiot.
I like your horn.
It's so meepy. Meep.
International.
Support comes from ABC Home and Commercial Services. Oak trees need more than hugs. They need trimming, fertilization, and help with oak wilt. More on ABC's licensed and certified arborists at abchomeandcommercial.com.
Stop, son. Stop at it.
Support comes from football at the World Cup. Probably a fair result, although Spain will feel that they were the better team.
There must have been some fairly hyped up fans on both sides. Have
Going
you
the
been
wrong
talking to them?
way. And for our final clip here, we have this wonderful, happy, upstanding citizen of society in this beat-up old Kia. And it's really no wonder, okay? Because they barely put their blinker on before inviting themselves in front of me, quite close, by the way. And when I honk, they brake check me, and they give me the most aggressive middle finger I think I've ever seen, at least directed at me in traffic. And man, this middle finger was so aggressive, you could see their arm fat quivering in anger as they shot their arm up in the air at me. And man, they told me. I've learned my lesson.